Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Knoxville, local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to local moves in Knoxville, 3 Movers have you covered. We take pride in our meticulous approach to ensure a seamless transition for our clients. First and foremost, our team of skilled Knoxville movers will arrive at your doorstep with all the necessary equipment and packing supplies. We'll carefully pack and secure your belongings, ensuring everything is protected during transportation. We aim to handle your items as if they were our own, treating them with the utmost care and respect. Being familiar with the streets of Knoxville gives us significant advantages as a moving company. We are the best routes to navigate the city efficiently. Although there are similarities to our local moves, long-distance moves require a few additional considerations. First and foremost, we understand the importance of keeping your belongings safe during extended transit. Our Knoxville long-distance 3 movers use top-notch packing supplies and materials and techniques to safeguard items from bumps or jolts. We also recognize that long-distance moves involve greater logistics and coordination. Our dedicated team meticulously plans the route, considering the distance, road conditions, and potential obstacles. We strive to provide you with the most realistic and reliable timeline for your move, ensuring transparency and peace of mind throughout the journey. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Knoxville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.